We have something that was built by the Germans during World War II. It was meant to keep secrets from the Americans and the British. They would change the code every day, so you would have to know what the code of the day was going to be. The British were intelligent enough that they built one of the first computers. It was a mechanical computer, and they used that to decipher it. Nobody knew that the British and the Americans had broken the code during World War II. Today, you can't find them anywhere. I mean, they're impossible to find. They're in museums, they're owned by governments. I have two. I got a couple of them. And I remember this one, I brought it into the United States, and the guy that was looking at it, he thought it was a telegraph machine or something like that. A couple of years ago, one was being auctioned off, and the starting price was going to be $200,000. And that was 2 years ago. And I'm sure it went up quite a bit from there. What's it mean to me?
Does it mean anything to you?
Yes, because it's a part that happened in your history and my history. It's in our history. I was conceived during the war. I was born in January 46. Some people, they could say, hey, it's a piece of junk built by some Nazis during the Second World War. A lot of people in Germany did not agree with what was happening in Germany. My mother was arrested during the war. She was German. She was living in Germany. She was not very keen with the government. A lot of people got killed during the war. There were a lot of things that the Germans did that was very bad. I'm not in favor of it. I'm not proud of the things that the Germans did. But this is a piece of history we can remember, and I don't think it'll ever be forgotten. And we should never forget it.